holiest place on earth for every Muslim. Millions pray facing this sacred house and travel from around the world to perform Hajj and Umrah. But how old is the Kaaba? How did it begin? Today, we will explore its beautiful history. According to Islamic tradition, the foundation of the Kaaba was first laid by Prophet Adam alayhi salam. It was the very first house of worship built for mankind. With time, the structure disappeared, and centuries later, by Allah's command, Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam and his son Ismail alayhi salam rebuilt the Kaaba. While raising the walls, Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam made a heartfelt prayer. O Allah, accept this from us and make this a pure house for worship. When Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam reached one of the corners, Angel Jibreel brought a special stone from paradise, the black stone, Hajar al-Aswad. This stone was originally white and shining, but it darkened over time because of the sins and touches of mankind. Even today, millions of Muslims wish to touch it or greet it during tawaf. The Kaaba stands about 43 feet tall and is built of solid granite stones. Its door is made of pure gold and placed higher than ground level. Inside the Kaaba, there are 3 wooden pillars, inscriptions of prayers, and a marble floor. Every year, the Kaaba is covered with a new black cloth called the Kiswa, decorated with gold embroidery of Quranic verses. Throughout history, the Kaaba has been rebuilt and repaired several times. A massive flood once damaged its walls. The Quraysh tribe rebuilt it before the birth of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Later, Islamic rulers like Caliph Abdul Malik and Harun al-Rashid also restored it. Through every era, Muslims protected the Kaaba while keeping its original identity. No matter where Muslims live around the world, they all face one direction in prayer: the Kaaba. It is the center of Hajj, Umrah, and countless prayers. Standing before the Kaaba brings tears to the eyes, reminding every believer that this is the house of Allah and the spiritual heart of the world. The Kaaba is not just a building. It is a symbol of unity, faith, and history. A reminder that we all come from one Creator and return to Him. Thank you for watching.